In this video, we'll create a 3D model of a cup and download it as an STL file. Open the 3D Editor webpage. This is an SVG file opened in Inkscape that contains the diagrams. These are just lines and curves drawn in Inkscape. Check the earlier videos for tips on how to draw in Inkscape. It is a good practice to mark the start point and end point of paths using the stroke style dialog. This is optional. It is just to make it easy for users to identify the direction of the spine path. Save the file. Upload the SVG file to Scribble 3D webpage. We now see that 3 objects have been created from the uploaded SVG file. The second object is the handle for the cup. If desired, change the name or properties of the objects. Adjust resolution if desired. Clicking on this icon is another way of changing the resolution. Save the file in the cloud. Click on Open Saved File. When the file is opened, we can see the 3 objects clumped together. Switching to the wireframe view and selecting the Scene Explorer highlights the objects. Select the cup handle and move it along the X-axis. Select Object_3 and move it upwards. Check the object positions using the wireframe view. We'll now combine Object_1 and Object_2 to produce a single object. Click on Object_1. Shift and click on Object_2. Now click on the Boolean Union icon. This starts a background thread which combines the 2 selected objects. The speed of this operation depends on the number of vertices and faces of the 2 objects. If desired, abort the background operation using the stop icon. Now we wait for the completion message. This video is actually speeded up. The actual time taken is 42 seconds. To verify that the objects are combined, use the wireframe view. Clicking on the handle selects the original first object as well. the combined object is a continuous mesh. Using the Analyze tab, we can explore the history of operations. Union 1 is the combined object we've just created by combining object_1 and object_2. We can also see the corresponding spine diagrams of each sub-object. Back to Assemble tab, we'll hollow out the cup by Boolean subtraction. Click on Union 1 and Shift and click on Object_3. Click the Boolean subtraction icon. A background process starts. Let us wait for it to complete. Boolean operations will be faster in machines with GPU acceleration. This demo does not use GPU. The newly created object is one continuous mesh. The length, width, and height of the object are shown here. Save the changes. Click the STL icon to download the object as an STL file. Verify the downloaded STL file by opening it in a Mesh Viewer software like MeshLab. Go to the Analyze tab to see the creation history. The top-level object is made by subtracting object_3 from union_1. This fact is recorded in the Rules section. At each sub-object, we can see the relevant spine diagram. So the top-level object is just a set of spine diagrams on which some operations are done. In the next video, we'll see how to 3D print this cup that we created.